Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a laptop cooler fan from TopMate. Okay, the model number is C5K5. Okay, it has 5 fans. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as you can see, and it has 2400 RPM, which is very good. And this is a power, okay, that it will spins. Okay, and it is the height, it is adjustable, and it is suitable for a 10 to 15.6 inches laptop notebooks. Alright, so it is a laptop cooler with LCD display. As you can see here, it's gonna look like this. Okay, so let's review this. So behind we have the product and features. Okay, it contains 2 USB interfaces. Okay, you can read all of this. And here we have a laptop cooler. As you can see, you can set it, as I said, the height is adjustable. Okay, and this is a LCD display. Okay, it's a fan indicator, the gear indicator, accelerator, decelerator, and the power button on and off mode selection. Alright, can't wait to unbox this. Okay, so here we go. Wow, that's a big box. Okay, and nice. What I really like about this, it comes with this foam, so it secure the fan. Okay, when shipping, it does not break as well. And yeah, so how do I feel when I hold the fan? Okay, the cooler in my hand. Well, it's not metal, but it's I think it's plastic. Okay, the fan is completely plastic. Okay, but let's see if it will do the work or not. Alright, laptop, oh shit, laptop. Okay, as you can see, they made a mistake here in the product name. Instead of laptop, they wrote laptop cooler. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it feels in your hand. Okay, it's quite heavy. Alright, it's not that heavy, I mean, it feels weird. Okay, alright, so let's set this up and let's see what else we've got inside the box. So here we have a user manual. Okay, you can read this later. And here we have a thank you note. Okay, thank you for your support. And some, I don't know what the hell is that. Okay, you can read that later. And here we have the USB port. Okay, so this will hook into the fan cooler and it goes straight into your laptop or notebook. Okay, this, it looks kind of cheap cable. Okay, so USB, I believe it's 2.0. Okay, so what you need to do first is to pull this out. Okay, oops, do it gently, and here you should be able to see a metal. Okay, it's like a this, just pull it out. Okay, it's okay like this, and this, as you can see how it's gonna look, like this. And here you're gonna set it, I mean, if you wanna do it like this. Okay, and if you set it like this, it's gonna look like here. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Alright, so that's to my laptop I won't sit my laptop like this, it's too big. Okay, so let me adjust that. Here we go. So I'm just gonna move it to the top one like this, or maybe one level. Okay, one level seems good. After setting up to the one level, okay, here it's gonna look like this. Here you can open this, so your laptop won't fall, so it's gonna block, okay, this thing's gonna block your laptop from falling. And let's do that. So I'm gonna grab my laptop here, and okay, so as you can see, I've seated my laptop on this, and this is, it acts like a blocker, okay, it won't let my laptop fall. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. Cable, so I'm gonna connect the first end to my laptop. Okay, like this. Alright, and the second end, you're gonna insert it in here. Oops. In here. Alright, so as you can see, guys, once it's inserted, once you have plugged the USB cable, it's gonna light up. Okay, as you can see, light up blue. And here, let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, let's have a look in the LCD as well. Okay, as you can see, the fan is spinning. Okay, and this plus button, you're gonna press it to increase the fan speed. This one is it is an accelerator button. This one, the minus, is a decelerator button. And the on and off, focus, and let's try increase the RPM. Alright, so as you can see, it changes from U6, from U3 to U6. The speed of the fan, because my computer is currently idle here. But if you're constantly gaming, I don't know, watching Netflix, huge heavy task on Windows, extra, okay, you're downloading torrent and then streaming at the same time, watching on YouTube, and then I would recommend you to spin the fan. Okay, so I increase the RPM. Press the plus button a few times, and it's gonna increase the fan. As you can see here, I have lowered it. Alright, and yeah, also let's have a look what's inside. So as you can see, the fans are spinning. Okay, if you put your hands inside it, yeah, I feel the airflow. Okay, it has decent airflow. As you can see, one fan, two fan, we have two, four, and the big one. Okay, it is spinning real good. Alright, so yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. And yeah, for its 50 bucks on Amazon, I would say this is it is a bang for luck, guys. Okay, it's a good price. It's an affordable price, and I would suggest you take it. Okay, don't worry, just take it, and it's gonna look good, guys. So yeah, this was my full review about the laptop cooler with LCD fan from Amazon. Okay, so model number C5K5. Okay, so this is my full review about it. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. If you appreciate this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that bell notification as well.